Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, this is Dante here, bringing you a brand new video. I'm here to teach you how to get PS4 music from your device on your PS4 live streams. As you can see, got my PS4 here all nice and set up. So let's get my settings, devices, audio devices, input devices. As you can see, USB headset, output device. I don't have a headset plugged in, so TV. There you go. It's all set up. Okay, as you can see, music currently comes from here. Now, we take a dual end USB audio jack, aux cable, plug it into the computer. And there you go. That's how you get music on your PS4 live streams. Or you can also get another microphone dual jack. You can plug into this as well. Unfortunately, I don't have one, so I can't show it. But yeah, this is how you do it. You can just plug a headset right in over here on this side, and you're set to go. This has been a Dante tutorial. Peace.